Hi friends, welcome to Tech. Today in this part of general technical knowledge, we'll discuss how to create an Amazon user and using the user, how can we buy, purchase any product like clothes, mobile, laptops or something else from Amazon website. We'll see first in laptop or desktop. From any browser you can use any browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Ads, then Internet Explorer. Let us go to the ads. You have to remember the website of Amazon, that is amazon.in. You have to type it in the address bar of your browser and press enter. You have to go here. If you are a new customer, you have to click start here. You have no user ID in Amazon, you have to create one. You have to create one account in Amazon. So you have to type here your name, anything, and the name you have. Number you give, you have to give your mobile number 82729. Email ID you can give. It is optional, you may not give. It is better to give one. And you have to type your password. It must be at least 6 character. More than 6 character you have to give anything which have more than 6 character. Okay, to give this information, your name, your mobile number, then email ID, then password, then you have to press continue. As soon as you press continue, you will receive an OTP in your mobile number. Here it is written, a text with a one-time password has been sent to your mobile number. In this mobile number you will get an OTP. Whatever mobile number you give, in that mobile number you will receive an OTP, 6-digit OTP. You have to put it here. Then you have to click create your Amazon account. Once after giving the OTP, once you click create your Amazon account, you will be in this page. Your first name will show here, hello, your first name, and here it will show hi and your first name. Jenny will show here. I have given the first name Jenny Sharma, Jenny, and second name is Sharma, so Jenny will show here, and here also Jenny will show here. This way you can create a user ID. Next, we log in into Amazon website. Click sign in option here. Give your mobile number or OTP or email ID. can give your email address or mobile number here and click continue. To remember the password what you have set while creating the user ID. Using email ID also you can log in, or you can log in using your mobile number also. Let us try with uh, email ID first. I have given the password. Let us click login now, and I am in the my account has opened in Amazon website. From here you can sign out from the website. If you give your mobile number and click continue, then click continue. Incorrect phone number. If your mobile number is not registered with Amazon, then it will say incorrect phone number. You have to give the correct phone number, then you will get the OTP. Let us give a correct phone number, a registered phone number actually, 8638395659. Let us click continue. Get OTP on your phone. Suppose you don't remember your password, you just click get an OTP on your phone, and OTP will be received in your mobile number. You have to give the 6 digits and just click continue. This way also you can log in. I am logging with email ID. Login with email ID. Whether you log in with email ID or mobile number, the same page will be opened. This is your account, hello, and this is the name, and hi, this your first name will be shown here. Let us do some shopping. Suppose you can search from here, anything you search, if it is available in Amazon, it will show here in the page. So many t-shirts are here. Suppose you have chosen this one and want to purchase. Size you have to select L size. Price is $3.99. Color you can choose. If there is color option, there is no color option, and you can check the offers. 10% instant discount with AU Bank debit card, 5% back with Amazon Pay, ICICI Bank credit card. This you can avail if you have this type of cards. Get 10% up to 150 back, pay with Amazon Pay UPI. Get 25% back up to 250. This offer you can avail if you have these cards. Let us click add to cart. I have chosen this one, and as soon as you click add to cart, here it will show one item. Let us remove it, and see, in this card there is nothing. At present 0 is there. As soon as we select one, suppose this one I am choosing, you have to choose the size. There are 3 types of color. You can choose this one, or this one, or this one. Suppose we are choosing this one. Okay, black mustard we are choosing. As soon as you click add to cart, this 0 will become 1, means you have chosen one item to purchase. Add to cart, I have clicked. See, it has shown 1 now, means one item you have chosen. Let us do another search. Girls under 500. Suppose this one you have chosen. You have to select the size. L, there are this size available. Suppose L you are choosing. If there is variety of color, it will be, the option will be available here. There is no color in this dress. You can zoom it up and check how the dress looks like. There are 5 types of image, 6 types of image. Okay, you can check here the dress, and if you like it, then you can, and if you want to buy it, then click add to cart. You are clicking add to cart means you are selecting all those items which you want to buy in one location. Next, suppose you have uh, selected all the products which you want to buy. Go to cart, click here, and click proceed to buy. You want to proceed. Okay, you have to select one address. You can select this one also, or this one also, or if you want to add a new address, you can add one new address also. You have to give the information of the address. You have to select your country, then your full name, you have to give the mobile number where the agent will call who will deliver you the product. You have to give the pin code, house number, area, landmark, towns and state, and you have to click the address type also, home or office, commercial. After giving all the address, you just click add address. It will be displayed here like these two address. Now suppose you want Amazon to deliver the product in this address. Just click deliver to this address. These are the delivery period, speed. If you place the order today, within 10 December your product will be delivered, and this product will be delivered by 7 December. Okay. If you are comfortable with this period, just click continue. Okay. Now the payment option. There are several payment options here. If you have a debit card, ATM card or credit card, you can give the payment through those cards. Just click add debit card. You have to type your name here as it was in your card. The name should match the name on your card, and you have to put the card number, expiry date, and you have to click add your card. Once you add the card, you have to give the CVV number, which you can find on the back side of your ATM card or debit card or credit card. You have to give that number and you have to place the order. If you have a net banking, just click net banking here. You have to select the bank account, the bank in which you have account. Suppose Axis Bank. In Axis Bank you have account and online banking is available. Okay. I will check that a bit later. First, pay on delivery. Pay on delivery means once the Amazon deliver you the product, then you can give you the money. The Amazon agent, delivery agent, will go to your address to deliver you the product. He will take cash from you or the payment by card, then the product will be delivered to you. You can select pay on delivery also. It is like postpaid. You will give the payment in cash or card in front of the delivery boy, and then the delivery boy will deliver the product to you. If you have net banking, you can give the payment this way also. There are so many banks. Suppose you have chosen Axis Bank, then click continue. Okay. Finally, this is the total 1098. You have chosen two product. This is the product details. This product will be delivered by this way, and after checking all this, just click place your order and pay. You will be redirected to Axis Bank website. You give your login ID here, password here, just click login. The next page you will show an OTP has been sent to your mobile number which is registered with Axis Bank. You have to put that OTP and the order. If the OTP is correct, the order will be placed successfully. This way you can place an order in Amazon website. Once you have placed the order, you can check the order from go here and then your orders. Click your orders. It will be listed down here. It will be listed down here. This way you can purchase a product from Amazon. Using your smart mobile also you can purchase. I will show how you will do that. Let us log out. Let us close this. In your mobile, when you in your screen will more apps option. In the app list you will see this icon, Amazon Shopping. Just click it. You'll go to this page. If you are already a customer, if you are already registered with Amazon, already a customer, so click this option. Or if you want to create an account, click this option, the second option, new to Amazon.in, create an account. You have to create an account, and to create an account your mobile number is must. You must have to fill up the mobile number field. Mobile number is must to buy a product in Amazon or create a user in Amazon. So you already have because you are already registered with Amazon, so you are clicking first option and you will go to this page. This page will be displayed. You have to give your mobile number here, then click continue. You have to click this option. If you don't remember the password, you have to click this option, get an OTP on your phone. You will receive an OTP on your phone, 6-digit number. You have to put the 6-digit number in this option. You have to type and just click continue. You will be in the Amazon page. From here you choose the product you want to purchase. Suppose this shirt you want to purchase. You can choose color and size. I have already explained that. Next you search in your mobile in this icon, just click search and you can type. The option of typing will come. Kurti for women Viva. You can write anything related to product and press enter. This way it will be displayed. You choose one. Okay, once you finished purchasing all the items, once you selected all the items you want to purchase, just click here in this cart icon. The item will be shown this way, one by one below another. Just click proceed to buy. You have to select one address. You can add a new address also by clicking add a new address. You have to give the information of the new address and save, and then click deliver to this address. In which address you want to deliver, you have to select by selecting these options. Either one you can select. Next you have to select one option. If you want to deliver it by Monday, it will be free. 2-day delivery, there will be extra charge ₹80. Next day delivery ₹100 delivery charge. Which one you feel comfortable, you can choose. Then please click continue. Next, payment options comes. As I have explained earlier, you can use your debit card. You have to put your name, what name was in your card, and the card number and the expiry date and expiry year. Then add your card, then the CVV number which was in the back side of your card, 3-digit number. The 3-digit number in the back side of your debit card, credit card or ATM card you have to put in the next page after you click add your card. That is using card, debit card, credit card or ATM card, or you can use net banking also. Pay on delivery also. Pay on delivery means once the delivery boy will, once you can give the payment hand to hand when the delivery boy will arrive you to deliver the product. Next, if you want to log out from the Amazon app, you have to there is an icon I want to show you. This icon you will click if you want to log out. Just click this icon. There will be many options will come. You click hello, your name will display here. You have to click that. Click here. You have to click here. This option hello XYZ. You have to click here, and here it is. There is the sign out option. Just click sign out. You will be logged out from the Amazon app. This way you can create one user and in your Amazon app or Amazon website using laptop, desktop or tab or mobile devices, and purchase anything you want, whichever is available in Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this product. Please share the video, like the video, subscribe to my channel to get more updates on video edition. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.